Woodworking has always been more than a hobby for me. It's a place where my hands slow down and my mind finally catch up. Right alongside video making, it's one of the ways I get to create something from nothing. For weeks, I've been planning to build another kid's picnic table, but life kept pushing it to tomorrow. Then one day, a message from one of my closest friends here in Washington changed everything. He asked if I could build a table for his 1-year-old daughter. And without hesitation, I said yes. It didn't take much. A few screws, leftover paint, and some simple lumber. I built this table before and I knew it could be quick. But this time, I didn't want quick. I wanted Naya to be part of it. To feel the wood, to hear the drill, to watch something grow from pieces into purpose. What should have taken hours stretched into days. Not because it was difficult, but because I wanted to slow down. To let her hand me screws. To let her paint that fearless kid energy. To let her be part of the story. We weren't just building a table. We were building memories. Moments she might not fully understand now, but moments I hope she'll carry with her as she grows. Because sometimes, the real masterpiece isn't what you build. It's who you build it with. A table is just a wood and screws. But the time spent together, that's the part that lasts. So whatever you're building, a project, a dream, a future, don't rush it. Let the moments breathe. Let the people you love be part of the process. Because in the end, the memories are the real work of art. Thank you for watching and have a good one.